Here's a cover for our sofas that we're going to cover it up. We have a cat and the dogs that keep laying on it, so we're going to cover it up just to make sure that it doesn't get slobber or scratch. So you guys can see it kind of pops out in some of the areas, but you have to kind of measure in. The cover's just because we have a cat right now and he's scratching everything up, and this is perfect for them. So we are gonna be out for a while and he's gonna be scratching this place, and we don't want him to scratch the entire thing. So this actually covered the whole entire sofa. All right, here's the cover, nice and finished. You could the only thing we can't access is our centerpiece, but that's good. We're just gonna leave it like that just for the cats, and the dogs won't get on when we're out of the house. And we also have a cat and he's scratching the actual sofa, so let's go ahead and cover it up. So here's the final result on the actual covers. You still have to kind of teach it and train it because it's kind of hard. It's flexible, very comfortable. You can't tell the difference. This is a great cover in case you have dirty sofas.